A forever home to me.
A forever home to me.
A forever home.
For me.
Forever home. Hi.
A forever home to me is all about firsts. You know, the baby's first steps, the first holiday together, the first time you get a noise complaint from your neighbors because you're blasting Adele at 3 a.m. after a bad breakup.
Having a picture of your mom in your place. You have to have a picture of your mom. If you don't have a picture of your mom, then you are a terrible person. You're very disrespectful. You gotta fix that.
I think a forever home is 50% natural environment and 50% how the architecture of the structure fits into the environment. My personal forever home would be like a Scandinavian kit house, painted jet black, on top of a mountain, surrounded by dangerous animals and glaciers and icebergs. My forever home would be in Norway.
It isn't really about a structure. It's about the people that you share a house with so that it becomes a home. That's really what it's all about. But that and bathrooms. You want more than one bathroom.
I already kind of live in my forever home, but if I needed to make improvements to it, I would definitely put a bigger deep freezer in my house, along with expanding my kitchen, because I love to have family and friends over, and I love to cook.
A forever home for me is a house where all of my friends and family can come over, feel super comfortable, really just unwind, a place that Olivia and I can really grow in, where we are surrounded by the people and the things that we absolutely love.
It's a place that is customized for me and my family. It's a place that we can call home. It's a place where we can build memories. It's also a place where when you invest money into it, you make sure you get the best returns out of them.
It's memories, and it doesn't matter whether it's your biggest house or your smallest house, or the best house or the worst house. It's the house that holds all the memories for you.
My forever home is anywhere my boys are, Jack and my husband, Steve.
It's a space that reflects the people who live in it. It's designed to support the lifestyle that they're living and bring them happiness.
It's a place where you go and you're surrounded by the people that you love, and it's where you can shut the door to the craziness going on outside in the world and just be surrounded by love, be surrounded by hope, and be surrounded by the people that make you who you are.
It's about the connection to your family. Yes, beautiful furniture and paintings are wonderful, but the connection you have to your family and how that home allows you to feel that connection.
The little things, just the family, the games, game night, the vegetable soup your mom makes on Tuesdays. It's just the little things, you know?